Okay, mystery knock has been solved. When I did the timing belt and water pump service before, I ended up using an off-brand tensioner, and apparently it sprung a leak down at the bottom there. Zoom in. You see some of the oil spurted out on the bracket next to it, and it's got a lot of play in it. So at idle it would knock like it had a rod knocking, and when you speed up it would go away, and it would come and go and come and go and come and go. So little research on the internet, and other guys have had the same problem with their 2.7 V6s. So I ordered up a new tensioner, and I'm getting ready to put it on. Got my timing marks lined up, and I used a zip tie to keep tension on the belt while I release the old tensioner, and I'll just cut that off when I activate the tensioner, and it should cure our problem.